Guys, it's your boy EJ. Alright, so what I have today is actually this glow stick that I bought from the States last year, but I never got a chance to actually use it. So today we're gonna actually break it. So bend, it should snap, and once it snaps, we should get an epic glow. Alright, damn. Okay, so apparently because it's a big glow stick, it comprises of two glow sticks. So it has a glass capsule, and when you break the glass capsule, it would actually start to glow. This is so cool. Alright, I'm gonna take off the light so you guys can see. So that is just, okay, closing the door now. This is actually the light of the glow stick alone. Give it a couple shakes. Shake, 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 and boom! This thing is glowing like a mofo. So what they did, they just basically put a print over it so that you'd actually be able to see a cool pattern. This is like ideal for Halloween, all those Halloween parties. And this is this is definitely longer than a Subway foot long Subway. So this is probably like about 18 inch. So you have a little batter. So you're gonna walk in the night. You can take it to like beat any dogs that are trying to bite your ankle, especially these small dogs. But anyhow, guys, cool, epic video with a skull-shaped batter lighted glow stick. Peace out.